A while ago, Unity released a video showcasing the use of machine learning and AI to create natural character poses. If you haven't watched it yet, I highly recommend checking it out. The ML Artistry team has been developing new content creation tools based on machine learning to speed up and ease the creation of artistic content. Have you ever tried to make a 3D animation? I'm sure you've spent a lot of time creating a simple animation. Posing a character is typically done by rigging the character and then moving each individual bone to make the desired animation. Character animation is still considered an expert job. Even when I created a character for my game concept some time ago, the most challenging part was making the animation for my character. However, with this new tool, the posing process will be easier for beginners. I should mention that according to Unity, this is not an actual product. It is a research result that is not yet publicly available. But it has shown us that by using a rigging character and putting pins on the hand or leg or other bones, we can input positions into a matching learning model that predicts the full pose of the character. As you move the controls around, the intermittent pose keeps being balanced and natural, because the model is to be trained on a large amount of motion capture data. You can easily remove or add more constraints, which will pose the entire character animation from those points. It also supports look-at constraints, which are the target at which the character should be looking. You can see how it keeps looking natural by moving the character, and it can even be combined with a physics solver to make it easier to pose the character interacting with the environment or with themselves. You can train the same kind of model on any type of character, like a dog. There is a piece of software called Cascadeur that claims to provide similar functionality. However, if this tool could be used in real time, it would be a real game changer. The animation would look gorgeous and be easy to make. I hope Unity releases this fantastic tool soon. If you want to get more information about it, check out the video. What are your thoughts about this tool?